Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Today we draw pictures with numbers. This is 1 and we make a tree with digit 1. This is 2 and 2 comes to a lamp. This is 3 and 3 turns into a butterfly. This is 4 and we can make a boat with digit 4. This is 5 and 5 changes into an apple. This is 6 and this is an oyster. This is 7. 7 comes to an mouse. This is 8. And now we say 8, a joker. This is 9. 9 looks like a bird. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.